How do I get rid of blackheads overnight? You can reduce the blackheads overnight, but to get rid of it completely, you need to work on it for days or maybe months. Depends. After taking hot water steam, use a blackhead remover tool to gently squeeze out the blackheads, but only if you have a proper knowledge of its usage. Here I gave some tips to get rid of blackheads on your skin. Apply the tomatoes. The antiseptic properties in the tomato are effective in opening your pores and to get rid of blackheads fast. Mash the tomato and use its juice and peel as a facial treatment to remove blackheads. You have to concentrate on the areas nose and face where the blackheads are found the most. If possible, let it stay on your face for 2 to 3 hours. This tomato treatment will dry up blackheads completely. This will make blackheads naturally fall off from the skin surface. Use the lemon power. Lemon, also known to have antiseptic and antioxidant properties, the lemon makes it a popular home remedy to get rid of blackheads from the nose and face. Since lemon is quite acidic in nature, dilute lemon juice by adding water so that it will not irritate or burn your skin. Lemon is an essential astringent that works great for blackheads and helps to shrink your skin pores. You can also add a pinch of salt to the mixture to make it more effective. Apply the mixture to the face and nose with the help of a cotton piece. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and wash it with lukewarm water. The salt and the natural acid capability of the lemon make a perfect combination in drying up blackheads. Instantly, you will feel that your blackheads are lessened. Your skin will be more clean and glowing. If you feel the irritation or it's feeling the lemon is burning your skin, wash it immediately and apply some cream on the area. Apply egg and honey. You can create an effective face mask to get rid of blackheads by mixing the whites of the raw egg and honey. Egg white mask is an easy mask which can be easily prepared at home. It helps to tighten the pores of your skin and will remove blackheads. Egg white is less drying and very rich with nutrition, which works great for blackheads. Break an egg and separate the white part of the egg and discard the egg yolk. Then wash your face and pat dry with a clean towel. Apply the thin layer of the egg white over your skin. Now, place a tissue on the thin egg layer and press it gently. Leave it for 2 to 3 minutes and let it dry. When the first egg layer gets dry, then apply a second layer over the tissue and place another tissue. In same way, apply the third layer and place the third tissue. Leave it for 4 to 5 minutes after third layer and then peel the tissue layers. Wash your face properly to get rid of blackheads and this will tighten your skin pores. Sugar and honey face pack. Honey contains balancing quality, which is good for oily skin and blackheads. Honey is a natural remedy that helps to hydrate and tightens the skin pores that give you a clear skin tone. Sugar is natural skin exfoliator and works very well with honey. Mix enough amount of sugar to honey to create a natural facial scrub. After cleansing the face, use the sugar-honey mix to scrub the nose and other areas of the face where the blackheads are visible. The scrub will remove the dead skin that will permit the blackheads to surface and make it easy to clean. Once your blackheads have surfaced, it is now easier to be removed from the skin. This is an effective way to get rid of blackheads from nose and face. Baking soda will help. Baking soda is one of the best and effective ingredients to get rid of blackheads fast. The small granules of baking soda work best as it will unclog your pores and exfoliate the skin. Make a baking soda paste by adding a few drops of water until it looks like a melted ice cream. Scrub it only to the areas where the blackheads are found. Make sure to just scrub in gentle motion and do not harm the skin. Rinse it with warm water after scrubbing. The baking soda mixture will dry up the blackheads fast. The baking soda also has bleaching properties that make the skin glow and brighten along with removing blackheads from nose and face. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.